Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching me for. Hi guys, I appreciate you all for watching my video, for subscribing to my channel. I can't thank you guys enough. Like I said before, I got calls from men this time when I did my last video. First of all, when I did the one of deceit, I got calls for men. You know, I always take the men on first. And when I also do the one of sex, oh my God, you can't believe so many men called me and say, please, you have to repeat it again. So today's version is for the women, which is sex 2. This side is for the women. Yes, you heard me right. This one is for the ladies. So all the ladies in the house, put on your dancing shoe, grab your cup of wine and sit down and let's dig into it. Yes guys, you heard me right. This one is for the women, for the ladies. I'm shy, of course. There's no cause for alarm. You don't have any reason to be shy. Yes, you are a lady, I am a lady. These are the things that are happening in our house. Okay, sorry, this one I waited to happen for our house. You know, I'm so excited because I got so many calls from men. It's like they like the video, like seriously, they love it. So this time we want to talk of we women. Hey, this one tear apart. Make una not come for me because this women on today e tear apart. Oh, go. So thank you guys for watching my video, for subscribing to my channel. In fact, you guys are the best. You are the best. You're the best. So you know, we used to compare it with our day-to-day living. You know, that's what we always do with our day-to-day living. We compare it. We are doing comparison of a truth. We are doing comparison. So today now we go into sex part 2, the women version of it. You know, before now the men version I will do. Now the women version I will want enter. Ogbonge tori. The women version I will just this. So today now we go into the topic which it says, we know say I don't always dey tell una say I not be teacher. I dey learn as una still dey learn. So you know say as all of us just sit down for years so they watch am. As you dey learn, as so me dey learn. All these things I don't know, and as I see they talk and so now I still dey learn. So today we dey go into the women version of sex. Yes, as a woman, what are you doing with your sex life, with your sex level, with your sex? What are you doing? What are you doing with your sex life, with your sex level? Yes. What are you doing? You know, say I talk of the men always say, if woman just near her, if woman say make it change time, make it do this, you go say the woman are this or the woman are that, you know. So today, as a woman, what you they do? Yes. You know, say, Mike, we talk this one. Oh. You know, say most of us women, we think say the only way to catch our husband, our spouse, or whether boyfriend or girlfriend, don't make me cuss her, as we meet the word. We think say na to starve them with sex. That thing a very big thing. We women. I not remove myself. We women. We always do that thing. Before I go into this topic, I want to tell una one thing. Be say the reason why most women they do this thing. Be say I know say there is no one base reason, but the major reason be say as a woman when you're not dey happy, you not feel to have sex, because sex, love making, and when you are happy, I am happy. When the two parties they happy, we'll fit dig in where we'll fit do the right thing, we'll fit express ourselves where we'll fit love ourselves, where we'll fit do everything with ourselves, where you understand. So these things now they cause and will be say most women not they want they agree, make their husband they get sex with them if they angry, not they want make their husband they sleep with them when they angry. So this media now go tell now we be men say if you know say you want get sex with your wife, I beg they try to make her happy. If you know say you go turn on, if quarrel day, if anything, they try to make the woman happy. That aside. And the women, sister, our mommy, our dad, our grandma, my sisters, my fellow ladies like me, may we sit down and may we talk. Just like I said the same mark in my hand. May we sit down and may we talk. Yes, may we talk. May we talk now. Starving man, not making your husband to sleep with you, not making man to sleep with you. Say na me and I did this as I know it I will do, and I not go sleep with me or to answer me. Hey sister, men they misbehave, men they do other things, men they do different things. The only advice I will get for now will be women say men they misbehave, they do other things, they reject food, they reject sex, they reject you for bed and different things. Sister, I beg. my mommy, my grandma, our aunties, our big mummies, even me myself, I beg. I just need and beg every one of us say, ma fit misbehave, do everything. You know, see, if ma reject you for sex, John, your own don't finish as a woman. Most often, I don't feel understand what I talk so. If ma reject you from sex, your own don't finish. Because the only dignity where you get now when your husband is sleep with you, when he look your face, anything will push man come out. Anything, because men, they find one thing or the other to hold for hand. Not be say that thing I push them, but anything where they all see hold, na evidence. Anything where they all see grab like this, na evidence. Anything where they see hold, na evidence. You see as I take come so with red and red. Danger. I purposely dress this dressing for this women own today. Danger. You see, if you lack sex level for a man, if man start to reject you sexually, your own don't finish. As a woman, hey, not come for me. Now make a fair talk for this video just now. Say not come for me. You know why? Most of them are not go take counting when you get there. Yeah, when no mommy okay, see anyway. When you are not experienced, we talk from experience. If you get issues or something with my yes, let me I talk that in just and say most of us women, why would they do these things? Be say would they angry? Would not they like to get sexual intercourse or make love during our anger? It is based on women. But men okay, they feel just the verse and they all jump into another girl. Oh yeah. They don't continue, they don't start, they don't do everything they want to do since. Men know they take those things to be anything. But we women, we get feelings, we get emotion, we they hold on tight. We they sabi they gather ourselves. They say, no, if I'm not happy. That is why you see, say if woman not happy, not get to you feed unless I rape you, one raper. Women, that make me advise the men just like for no son want they get down. I beg they try to make your wife happy. Now this reason, if you don't know before, no now. These are the reason where they make the woman not they grieve for you. You say most of the time we quarrel day, and another reason when the woman tired. We you as a man, you know if you help your wife or house or do anything. You go bed 8 o'clock, go sleep, reach 11 o'clock. When the woman they enter bed, they say make you bring this thing, come here, you can't do. If two of you gotta do the work, two of you join hand do the work instead of that 3 hours, you go enter bed for 9:30. You go see chance to enjoy yourself, reach 11, everybody sleep. You know, most of you will be say the woman too tired. Now let you want to work, now let you want to do yes, so. All these fingers where you see, so they are not equal. All women are not the same, so have multiple strengths more than the other. So now they use your wife, they do comparison. Sorry, now women on with this. So now they use your husband, they do comparison. You know, make that one go aside. Yes, women, I beg. Starving the man with sex is not a weapon to fight a man. There are so many 1,000,001 reasons to fight a man. There are 1,001 reasons to deal with a man, not be true sex, you know. So most of if I talk to so many women, they say, you're not gonna sleep with me. This, that. Yes, even me, if I did do, I don't feel like you. I did do. I'm not gonna lie you at all. The reason why we they do those things as women be say we they angry, we're not they happy. I understand, but I they make una they know now say starving a man with sex is not the best way to resolve an issue. It's not the best way to stop the quarreling. I know say they're very, very difficult, but if you try and say no matter how angry you are, even if you don't want to enjoy and just you go see say your husband will start to beg you. But the more you they head in your head, you the strong head, you they do this anything will make that man come at auntie, mommy, grandma, sister, my fellow woman. Your own don't finish. Oh. Now look and say, after all, I go divorce, I go do something. Yes. Nobody stop you from divorcing because even if they tell you 1,000,000 words, it not go stop you. Nobody stop you from divorcing. Nobody stop you from whatever you want to do, you know. But I tell you, the only dignity will still remain and when the man still they call you for bed. If the man totally neglect you, both bed, food, everything, your own is finished, my sister. Your own is finished, oh. Because if you go to another man, I know they tell you now, say this one or that one. If you still move, the same thing happen. You come out. You move again, the same thing happen. You come out. Where you supposed to for beer, you not come beer. Where you not supposed to for beer. Another time you come, they try to beer. Me they not come to say, I mean, I not good. I know they use this mean or they tell you, say, may you stay in domestic violence or others. Yes, if now what you know if you be a sister, auntie, and they always talk about my video, pack and leave. Pack and go. Pack and go of a truth, pack and go. So, starving a man with sex, it is not a weapon to fight him back at all. In fact, you even give him the opportunity. You just gave him the key of success. You gave him the key of his freedom. You gave him the key of unlocked doors wey in dey try very difficult to get. You just give am the key to achieve and get everything. Sister, most of our women now dey talk to for this one now. Let your husband enjoy sex. If he say na touch your toes he wan do, let am. If he say na inside bath, inside kitchen, I don't know why I say these days you say my children my this. Auntie, brother, I don't first talk this for one of my videos. They see babysitter where they carry children for 30 euros. You feel your beg person say, auntie, I'll give you 30, 40 euros. Mate, enjoy yourself that day. There's no two ways. Hey boy, there's no two ways about it. If na inside parlor, you want draw the couch or you don't want draw. Your husband just sit down, they watch telling you just cross your leg on top of her. Action don't start. Oh. We must not go on top of bed. Eh? We must not go one better place and access. We want just do so or something. Sometimes we walk ourselves into it. No, my husband must ask me. Oh. Now back you still there. Oh. For this 21st century. Now back you still there. I just go tell the man say I want sex or this one. My sister, most of una wey dey shame as e be say na stone they put for your mat or e dey very heavy like house, e dey heavy. Manipulator into it. Manipulator into it. Sister, I say you be Christian. This one na God creator, not be me. Carry you know they chop corn, you know they chop plantain, you know they chop yam. Now only dick, now they collect. Even those one where they use Cocoba, if you not be Panadol, not be like Panadol. There is difference between upper direct and the one where they wear quality rubber bag. So joke apart. Please, let's try and make the men in our life enjoy sex, enjoy love making. Your husband do one. Like this thing, I don't ask so many of my friends, all of them, they tell me the same thing. If your husband tells you na 3 rounds, you want to do na 4 rounds, that will not mean say you be spoiled person. Let them be satisfied. No, after 1 round, I don't fit again. No, na me waki. Now the one where you not fit, another person go fit help you do 30 for outside now. Go help you do 15. That time you call say my husband not dey stay as. Before they touch you small, you don't fall for ground. You don't. Go even this. Most of us will be women. Most of us, yes, I know say na man we want spoil, I go spoil. I know na man we want go outside. But most of us, I don't remove myself. For most of us will be women. We join wetin they push those men go outside. Imagine man they make love with you. You just stay there like wood. You know they talk. You know they do anything. You just there they look at. You know go even fit touch her, you know go even fit touch the hair, romance her, scream, tell her different words, I love you, I this, I that. Now spoiled people they do that one, I shower they do that one. I made they say they collect on husband now. Deeper life person not fit collect your husband now. You know possible. You know more or less possible now. Deeper life person not fit collect your husband now. A prostitute go collect your husband. Where sabi the work? Agwese gbenia. They sabi pass each other. Now the one wey sabi pass you now collect your husband. The one wey worse pass you not fit collect your husband now. Deeper life person not fit collect your husband. Now spoiled people now shower they do that. Who tell you say now shower now your husband or your husband? Now you get as it gets you. You know they do fornication. They know they pay you for the sex. Not be your boyfriend say maybe you want to enjoy you finish before your husband. This one now is your husband. Two of you should come together and become one. If na inside bedroom say you need and inside toilet to only bend down or you dey bath you just waka come meet you so say for inside bedroom for inside this you know most of us women we complain too much na here na this my children never sleep na so this one never do so na so that one never do this one you know say ma tell you one thing if you see small children I dey talk of one parents one day they say no you no fit my children dey you no fit kiss your wife I come look the man children dey you no fit kiss your children now wetin they see in you children no dey listen to wetin you dey tell them again na you that they read you like book now wetin they see in you now say na so my mama do na so my papa do I no fit do this kind of thing I no fit they read you daddy mommy I love you baby I love you this you see say na spoil they spoil the children or they see the love wey they build my papa mama I go like be like them I go Because as they read una one, they do love. Now so they read una so they do this domestic violence. So why you just say they remove children from where domestic violence they? Who tell you say now the kiss when you kiss your husband, I want to make your children spoil? Those children, they don't look, tell you. Go look, sit down with your children for 1 hour, 30 minutes, maybe they look. No cartoon these days when not get where they kiss. Or say maybe they talk of this, that. I don't know that most of them no Barbie. Most girls, children, and they watch her. If you get preking whether reach from 6 years, 5 years, they know it to be Barbie. And they watch her. Because they sit down. Hey, he love this. He do this. I'll just offer you sit down. Just come out. They look my daughter. He go, they follow, they talk, I go, they demonstrate, he go, they do this one. So, why you if I not Alara, if I not there, I don't know what they do. I not go there when he go they do. So make I know what they do so that my eye go fit there, but I go know what to do and how to do it. I go know where for they get waiting they talk on where for they get waiting they see. No, my children they so I don't fit kiss my husband. Honey, you know if you leave your children position them, maybe they play when your husband use a signal, you say, use a call, you say, baby, come inside. You don't know whether I hook on that period. And when the man go outside, not beside they use this one, they give me a yardstick. You will call command. The man at this. They make most of us men that will say, hey, the woman at this or the woman at that. You don't see some men where they say they don't feel go out of their wife. The woman not use juju for the man. But most of them, you see the country, nah, juju. No, this one not be ordinary hand. Now, ordinary hand. You see woman for house. The hot pants when he go wear, eh? So long as we not get visitor now, me and my children. The hot pants we go wear, the sexy night gown we go wear. Not be person go tell Oga say follow me. You'll see your husband and say, baby, are you looking for something? Honey, you find something. What you find? Just bless you, they walk up and down. You they okay? Now wait till your guys see they make her they follow you. It not be say it too they caring. Honey, you be say you want to buy something that day. Nah, oh God, they find what you want to bring your man down so that make it, Oh God, they find what you want to bring your man come down so that make it feel penetrate, make it feel enter, make it feel stumble. No come think say na carry on God. Oh God, body everywhere don't softer lies. As that guy talk, oh we not gbe kwa we na bungbe. Oh God, they find we want for softer lies everywhere so that it go fit penetrate. But we will be women, we are so hardened. That's why you see how they feel they collect your husband. That's why they see runs girls, they feel they these are our men, they comfortable with runs girls. Not till when the man go tell her we go verse out because you know what you want to achieve. You know what they find. If you as a wife, anything where your husband tell you not vex you did there because you know say you want win your husband heart. You know say you want hold your husband bang 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 bang. Somebody they tell me one, they say come and tell you, if you are submissive, you will be the one ruling, but the man will think he's the one ruling. I can't look away. I can't look and say this thing when you talk so bless. If you they submissive, now you the rule secretly, but the man go think say na in the rule. Baby do this one okay. Darling do this one okay. Now you the rule. The man thinks say na in the rule. All this hey, you just say I not give you that chance, my guy, my sister. You give her the chance, you not give her the chance. Now one do and go do. In fact, if you not give her the chance, now you go do the worst. Like I tell somebody one day, I say come. If I waka come and I mean it, if you tell some people some things, they not everybody are different. They don't look, don't use yourself to look. Say this person, me and this person and this. You catch your husband, catch woman. You dey try to fight the woman. You dey try to fight your husband. Hey! Your own don't finish. Your own don't finish. Catch your husband, catch woman. Baby, how far? How are you? Auntie, good afternoon. You wake up. Hey, me call greet me. Sister, those two people, they don't die alive. That your husband, that girl, so they don't already die alive. Now, waiting go revive them, they fine. For your husband to come has no problem. For the woman to even but you know see when you start the insult, the humiliation where they go give you your lifetime you will never forget. So people say, hey, I just catch my husband say, hey, let me tell you just and say, now you the rule, but you go the thing say now in the room. You don't know what you want to do. You go the fear. Just you say your husband give him my belly for outside. Now this house if they come meet me today we go die. The belly never already enter. Anything there where you want to. You get anything where you want to. You get. We just talk, okay, no problem. It don't happen. The man go to fear you because you don't know what they your man. If you tell some women, they know. Even if you don't even get any evil, you don't get anything. You don't see that silence. Silence, now deadly weapon. The highest weapon to fight is silence. You just break silence. Person just come talk on you, insult you, talk. You never answer her. They break, you see the person, you say, good morning, auntie, or good morning, brother. Only you go come shock, say, don't make me offend this person just now. He don't know what he got the shame of himself. That weapon is very strong. That person go dey ashamed of his or herself. Say, my husband give him you make what if the fight too hot, the man throw away your load aside. Now so a rich or divorce, call everybody waka in you. The way they do go meet that woman. Most of us women will not use sense. Now I make the book of Proverbs say a wise woman build her home and the foolish one destroy it with her own hands. If you are wise, you know the right thing to do. He said, be fast to listen, but be slow to anger. They don't tell you your husband, your carry woman, and you too much. Just you never even know be the woman. You don't know. Hey, now this you are worse. In fact, you they reduce yourself. Your husband sit down with you, even if made a kiss her. You do waka like say you not sitting. Nobody with that thing on the pain. Now maturity. Now in the rule, you see that same man we go give him my belly for us. The wife notice he not go even answer. He go come find out my wife don't know this thing. No. He go call the beg. Who ask you question? Baby, no, the girl not be my girlfriend. Might tell you as it happen. I never even ask you question. Now you don't confess. I know that I don't experience that kind of thing. That's if you decide go say, hey, if not my girlfriend, what you want to do? Do your worst. You have already reduced yourself. You don't reduce yourself. You don't get dignity. Go they fight small girl. Go they call girls. They tell her say, you don't leave my husband. You don't leave this one. The girl go see you finish. They see this idiot. You feel all your husband now. You know now waka come meet me. But you know see when he know say you know, but you just feel like concern say you don't know. If he see you now, he go first shock. He go run. I don't think so much get for mind. Even your husband where they ask, he go the shock, he go the run. And your husband I go they fear you. If you tell some people go say, yeah, you go fit. Why not? Because I asked somebody one day, I say, come. You know why most of them they look something say it's too difficult. The closest person to you now, a member of your family, if your papa die or your mother die or pikin die, may God not let us see pikin we go die for our eye. Your mama die, your papa die, your pikin die. Shebi that death they pain you. If you get all the power on earth, you would have wished to bring them back. But because it's not a thing you can do, you can't reverse it. What do you go do? You go bear. How we bear, you go bear. Now so these things be. Person wey fit bear death. Wetin no fit bear another woman share. Not be saying one carry and comot or say. Not be saying they use this one. They advise the men. Okay, the woman no want carry and comot. He do what he want do. You shout oh, you no shout oh, you cry oh, you scatter everywhere oh. The deed has been done, and there is nothing that will reverse it. So the more we have knowledge in our head, the more we are wise. It be like somebody they tell me, if my husband cost my papa and mama or my spouse cost my papa and mama, I go kill her now. I say, come. It cost your papa and your mama. Now the cost one kill your papa, kill your mama. I say not disrespect. I say because not be you the man disrespect. He's only disrespecting himself. If they tell you the kind of person when he be say they not train you well. By insulting your own parents, whether a man or a woman, any of your spouse, where they insult your own parents, your partner, where insult your parents. It simply means that your parents they insult because they tell you now say your own parents not training well. Because picking when they train well go know say you are not supposed to insult your spouse parents because they are like yours. It be like if man come say I too love my mama if that is a blunted lie. You don't love your mother because if you love your mother you will love your wife. If you love your mother you will love a woman. Because your mother is also a woman. Not think say now this one I am born me. Now just slip of tongue. If you love your mother, you will love your wife. More enter Songs of Solomon. More start from verse 1 for this one. Songs of Solomon. He said the Songs of Solomon, which is Solomon's the saluter. Let him kiss me with the kisses of his mouth for yours. For your love is better than wine, because of the fragrance of your good ointment. Your name is ointment poured forth. Wherefore the virgin love you. Draw me away. Oh my God. The daughter of Jerusalem will run after you. The saluter. The kings has brought me into this chamber. The daughter of Jerusalem, we will be glad and rejoice in you. We will remember your love more than wine. I am dark but lovely, O daughters of Jerusalem, like the tent of kindle. Do not look upon me because I am dark, because the sun has tainted me. My mother's son were angry with me, my maid and the keeper of the vineyard, but my own vineyard I have kept. Let it be the vineyard too. But most of them always have been interpret. Do not look upon me because I am dark. Okay, don't read that one. Then he said, tell me, O you whom I love, where you found your flocks, your beauty, your adoring, where you make it rest at noon. For why should I be as one who venges herself by the flocks of your companion? If you do not know, O fairest among women, followed in the footstep of the flocks, and fed your little goats beside the sheep. So you see, these are words that are using to adore your loved ones. Verse 2. He said, like a lily among thorns, so is my love among the daughters. Like an apple tree among the trees of the wood, so is my beloved among the sons. I sit down in this shade with great delight, and his fruit was sweet to my taste. Like seriously? Are you serious? The fruit are sweet to my taste. Some of us will not be sweet for our husband again, or because why? Side chick. Your husband don't waka come meet you. Maybe you wear sexy gown or anything. You just have to use and they rub you, say I only just bend down. You know, there are so many things you joke with. Those are the forms. It be like, and they tell people, say when your children they grow, those nonsense where they talk, all those nonsense things where they do. Sometimes we'll just sit down, we'll laugh, say, no, tell me this one, this one, so much, wait till do, tell this one, so yeah, wait till do, we go laugh like, they don't sleep, thank God, but all these children, you know, those are the joy of parents. So also your spouse, I don't want to say whether your husband, okay, we are in the women's one now. We remember what you are doing, even if another woman they knock. He go they remember say if na my wife, see what they do, see what they not they do. If na my wife, since if na my, you know, let's have memory. Sometimes I feel you're the bar for between the man just rush enter. Now because of that thing, one come meet you. I wanna just bend now, you know. Not be say you're saying see the way you they talk to me like say I be a shower. See the way you they talk. Now I ain't get you. See the way you they talk. I know go. You must tell me that to beg you. Every man they always need down for a woman. Before I climb you down, he need already dey down. So whether I need down, whether I beg you, I only sorry. Wait is sorry. He got to open your vagina or waiting. Not be the sorry one open your kpeku. So the only thing when I see for them be say in whichever way, provided there is no disrespect. Most of us they look those things as disrespect. You know? I know say some men not good of a truth. But in a lovely way. Na kitchen, na toilet, na bedroom. Let's make sex a better thing. Carry phone, call your husband. I make one your man come. There's water in my teeth to water they hang for teeth. You know what you use on me. I don't spread bed though. Where you dey? Who will come follow me sleep for the bed? You know what you use and tell me. I only quick come house so today na today. You don't already know what you use on me. Go they laugh. Even if they verse since you go they laugh. Your husband eat finish, you say, baby, I just tired. I want to go sleep. Say, now so you be ungrateful person. You enjoy eat all this kind of sweet food I cook for you. Finish, you say you want to go sleep. Me, I'm a lay man order for me. No, you act more women. I beg, guy appreciate me now. You know, there are so many ways we talk into things. We just joke into it. And you go see the guy go start to laugh. He go just they laugh because those words are sweet work. Even if you sit down, you'll see some men sometimes they just sit down there they laugh. Or some women go sit down they laugh. Go say, I beg, I want to go meet my wife and they miss it talk. Or man go there outside, you there with your friends. So they're 24/7. Earpiece there, you because you talk to your wife. You want hear sweet thing. You want hear, you know. Sometimes your friends go even they jealous of you. Say, this your own don't pass. Be careful. I beg women, men, they need peace. Yes, I know say they know they give us. But the more you give them, the more you see them, the more they are close to you. Men like every woman to be like their mother. In Genesis, when Isaac bring a wife. Him mama take her enter in child, and he say after the mother's death, Rebecca was like a wife, a mother to whom? To Isaac. Because why? If you give her peace, you know say mama now. You fit do something. You tell your papa, no. But if you tell your mama, it go dey hard for them because no one bring you up. Because know the way it suffer for you. Now so all men want me we will be women they beat to them. No vision go along. So please, women, try to give your husbands peace. I know say they know they give us peace. Try to give them peace. I not say all men, no, some. Try to give them peace. By the time you give them peace, you will also have peace. Most of us, we too dey harsh as a woman. We too take little things to become big deal. Another thing I want to tell women, maybe in our next video because our time don't go, may we try. Your husband fit just sit down, they watch telling now, you just walk carry show, they just sit down on top of your body, say, guy, raise and. Oh, yeah, my skirt, I don't wear anything, you know. Now just joking, not me saying I so you go put on, not me say go jolly do. Now those times when we take they laugh, they play. You just see food for your hand, the last one you rush and you run, you know, different, all those different things. Now they make, or maybe say eat the meat, because say I made you eat and my body all of the still they come later now. So man, I know you collect all of the first, you know, all those little things, or just the joke they put. Now he say the more you smile, the more you get young, the more your heart merry, the more you live long. Inu ede agijave nagmo. Aleluya menye. Kako kerese do. Agarudonya marwa bijeme emia ona yago sioma. Women they collect. May you still collect your own. Collect your own. May another person not see and collect. You see some women they use a knock chest. Say, you know if you collect my husband. Me your saver. That's what you reach there. People they collect people's husband. Collect your own for size. You collect your own. Ogi man na here, go men na him. This one are one own, different for this one are my own. Collect your own. Put for inside house. Do anything by thing. Every mist. They collect your own. Don't they live for all this side chick, all those one. See side chick now, they don't keep people husband. The woman never there to be widow now. Whether good or bad, whether money no day. Then you will come become single mother. You will come they take care of your children only low. Where papa, what papa they do before and not go there. Not be everything money they do, eh? Not be everything. I beg, we will be women. We will try to give our this topic now sex. The way your husband part 2. Give your husband back to back. Let her be said that they run. Say I don't want again. This food not too much. You go chop out as the hot. Thanks guys. I thank you for watching my video. Thanks guys. I love you guys. I love you. Bye.